Gucci. Fendi and Armani, God, I miss Gianni. Kenneth Cole, Michael Kors, Mr. Ford, I can't afford. D&G and BCBG, looking good is never easy. Alexander, Urkel, Rich, Naomi Campbell, such a bitch.
That's right, bitches. It's my show tonight. How we feeling tonight? We getting liquored up. Drink more, motherfuckers. Drink. Tip your bartenders well, they will make you more fucked up. I am so close. Almost there. Frita made me do this. She thought I'd be scared. No. I've been drinking. I'm supposed to be introducing the first number. And the first number is our hostess.
Well, hold on, first of all.
What?
I said first of all. Those of you who don't know, this is Joelle. She's our curtain girl. This is her birthday show. So every song that you're going to see tonight, she picked out. She does this once a year for the 4,000th time? Is that what they were doing?
It's 187th or
187th annual, that's right.
it's a title passed down from curtain girls before me. The official title's Curtain Bitch, but PC please. Alright, well, she's ready now. Are you ready, James? It's his birthday.
Happy birthday!
He's a whopping 22?
Yeah, we'll go with 22, that's fine. Yeah.
I believe it.
I'm really 36, it's fine.
It's okay, because I haven't turned yet. Haha. Birthday's next week. 39.
39.
39. I'm not ashamed. Fuck y'all. Alright, so she wants to start. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for your hostess this evening, the one and only Frita.
Says good morning with a cock-a-doodle-doo. Good morning. A horse's neigh is just his way of saying how are you. A lion growls hello, and owls ask why and where and who. May I suggest you get undressed and show them your wazoo? Let's talk dirty to the animals. Fuck you, Mr. Bunny, Mr. Bear. If they don't love it, they can shove it. Frankly, I don't care. The animals. Let's talk dirty to the animals of yours, Mr. Hippo. Piss off, Mr. Fox. Tell a chicken, suck my dick and give me a chicken pox. The animals, let's talk dirty to the animals. From birds in the treetops to snakes in the grass, but never tell an alligator bite my mouth. Never tell an alligator bite my, yes, never tell an alligator bite my snitch.
All right, now that has been a tradition